Let's talk about loops in PHP. Loops are PHP fundamentals. They allow us to repeat block of codes until a specific condition is met, saving you time and effort in repetitive tasks. First, the for loop. We set a starting point, a condition, and an increment. Look at the example below. For I is equal to 0 is a starting point, I is less than 5 is the condition, and I plus plus is increment telling I to be incremented by 1 every time. This code will echo iteration 0, iteration 1 up to iteration 4. Next up, the while loop. It keeps running as long a condition is met. In the example below, we initialize num is equal to 1. In the while condition, we specify num is less than equal to 3. This will output number 1, number 2 and number 3. Lastly, the Foreach loop. It's perfect for arrays. For example, we declare an array colors is equal to red, green and blue. Now, for each color in colors, echo the color. This code will display color red, color green and color blue.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Prasad Madvi signing off from Techie Academy.